Hello, everyone. I'm Kathy with Orange Audubon, and today we're going to talk about getting involved with the City Nature Challenge. Started in 2016, it was a competition between Los Angeles and San Francisco, and this event has grown into an international event. It occurs at the end of April every year, and it's a collaborative environment, but competitive environment. So we hope that you'll learn about the City Nature Challenge and you can get your students involved in this, and it's very easy to do. So what is the City Nature Challenge? It is a bioblitz. So it's an inventory of all different kinds of living things. It's community science, it's open source data guides that guides conservation efforts, and you can go and look at the data from all the years of City Nature Challenge and see your local community and what living things are there. And there is an active learning component for teachers that we'll share with you. So here's the results through the years, through last year. So see, it started with only 2 cities in one country back in 2016, and now there's 690 cities as of last year in 51 countries, and the observations are up to 2.4 million. So, and there's a lot of people involved in this, and it's a lot of fun, like I said. So let's look back at last year's event. So last year, globally, look at how many observations. There was over 2 million observations, 665,682 species, and over 83,000 participants from around the world. And if you're just curious, you can go into the City Nature Challenge or even iNaturalist, you could look at this. But the person with the most observations over 4 days, this is 4 days, had 2,819 observations. The person with the most species had 940 species of living things they documented. And the most observed species, the animal was the mallard, and the plant was garlic mustard. Isn't that interesting? And there was all kinds of very unusual things spotted around the world. And you could find something that hasn't been documented before. That happens. There's different plants that were observed. There were different kinds of insects. There were some different animals like that lemur found in Madagascar. There were some insects and arachnids like that spider. There was a fish, the goby fish, so you never know what you're going to find. Observed species around the world. Some of the most common birds observed around the world were the Canada goose, the northern cardinal, the red-winged blackbird, the mourning dove, and then, common mammal, the gray squirrel, not a surprise, and the lawn daisy. Those are just some common things observed around the world. In Orange County, Florida, if you're watching from that community, there was 2,545 observations, 771 species, and 4,573 identifications. So we hope to beat that number this year. And some of the common living things that were observed were things like bald eagle and blue jay, and the common buckeye butterfly, and common bracken, and the white water lily. These are some of the common things observed. And here are the people that had the most observations in our county. Now this year there's actually a little competition where you can earn, there's going to be a first, second, and third place, and you can earn a Amazon gift card for being the top person. So the top observer this past year had 206 observations. So that's a good bar to set for, maybe a little higher. And the most species observed were 149, And the most observed species, not a surprise, was the brown anole, followed by the great egret and the American alligator. Should I start over? Let me start over. All right, I'm going to stop the recording. Let me see how to do this. Record, where is it? Oh no. Okay, I got it. We're going to stop.